Okay, so in the last stanza, we have seen about posting letters. Okay, a man is forgetting to post a letter. Okay, through that way, we have seen the forgetfulness of human being. Okay, in the next paragraph, we are going to see how a man who is forgetting to take his walking sticks, books, and umbrellas while traveling. Okay, we'll see. As for leaving articles in trains and in taxis, I am no great delinquent in such matters. He's telling that it is. Will you agree this? While traveling, people will miss their books and walking sticks or some other else. Okay, and in that situation, okay, so many people are missing, but I am not that kind of man. Okay, delinquent. What do you mean by delinquent? A delinquent means a young person who is regularly involved in wrongdoing. Okay, a man who is doing wrong things. Okay, I am not a delinquent. Here wrong things means a man who is missing things while traveling. Okay, and he himself very proudly telling that I am not that sort of person. I'll take all my things properly except books and walking sticks. Okay, here what he is missing while traveling, books and walking sticks. I can remember almost anything except books and walking sticks. So author is missing books and walking sticks while traveling. So remaining things and all he will take it very carefully. And I can often remember even books. So I can remember even books. I can remember in my mind and I can take. But walking sticks, no. Always I am forgetting to take my walking sticks. So walking sticks, I find it quite impossible to keep. So walking stick, it has to remembered in a human being mind properly, but என்ன சொல்கிறது அதுவே நான் என்னால் கரெக்டாக ஞாபகமாக I can't keep at all. I have an old fashioned taste for them and I buy them frequently, but no sooner do I pay a visit to a friend's house or go a journey in a train than another stick is on its way into the world of the lost. So what Robert Lind is telling, whenever I am going to my friend's house, okay, or else whenever I am traveling in a train, and I'll assure that surely I will miss my walking stick. And in my life very often I used to buy, very often I'll buy walking sticks, and that lasting list, no, I have lost so many walking sticks. So whenever I am going to my friends or train, or else while traveling in a train, surely I will miss my walking stick. So அப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கும்போது எப்பப்போ போகிறனோ அப்போ நான் லாஸ்ட் பண்ண வாக்கிங் ஸ்டிக்ஸில் அதுவும் வந்துடும். That means he has missed so many walking sticks in his life. I dare not carry an umbrella for fear of losing it. So next he came to umbrella, and umbrella is even myself. Whenever I'm going out during rainy season, really I'll get fear to take umbrella with me, because I am a sort of person to miss umbrella while traveling. Okay, so மலையில் நனைஞ்சு வந்தால் கூட வந்துடுவேன் தவிர இந்த umbrella எடுத்துகிட்டு போகிறது I have fear. So like that, it is true only. So like that author is telling, while traveling with umbrella, surely I will miss umbrella also in my life. To go through life without ever having lost an umbrella, has even the grimmest jawed umbrella career ever achieved this? So author is telling that in this world there was no man without missing umbrellas in their travels. Okay, while they travel. And even the grimmest na that very serious ingradha vida it is very damaged. Okay, it's not a good umbrella, even it is very damaged umbrella, the people used to miss it. Okay, and so in this paragraph author is telling that people's missing of books, walking sticks and umbrellas. Okay, and the next paragraph, few of us however have lost much property on our travels through forgetfulness. So few of us among us have lost much property, so many properties while they are traveling because of their forgetfulness. The ordinary man arrives at his destination with all his bags and trunks safe. While the ordinary man is traveling, he is getting down. Ordinary man, a man who has a normal memory, and he is getting down with all his properties very safely. The list of articles lost in trains during the year suggests that it is the young rather than the adult who forget things. So at first paragraph itself we have seen that in the train, the railway station, and there were so many things for selling, okay, that all the things were missed by the travelers. If we take the statistical report, in that articles, most of the things were missed by whom? Missed by young people only. So through this, author is coming to say that when compared to an old people, that adults have on a poor memory, have a poor memory. And the year suggests that it is the young rather than the adult who forget things. So sorry, adult. So young has the poor memory, adult they have good memory. Adult who forget things, and that sportsmen have worse memories than their ordinary serious minded fellows. So next he is going to talk about sportsmen. Sportsmen, they have, according to Robert Lynn, sportsman, he has a very poor memory. And how, we will see. A considerable number of footballs, cricket bats, for instance, were forgotten. So the list of articles they have given, no, in that so many, we could find so many cricket bats and footballs. So through that he came to the conclusion that sports persons have poor memory. This is easy to understand. For boys returning from the games have their imagination still filled with a vision of the playing field, and their heads are among the stars. It is easy to understand because Robert Lind is telling that sports person they have poor memory. It is acceptable. Why? The reason is after their game, when they are traveling in their train, when they are returning to their home, their mind is filled with their achievements in that game, their achievements or else their failures. So author is telling that the mind is fully filled with their achievements or else their failures. So totally till they reach their home, they are thinking about their loss or else their victory. Okay, so mind fulla edo fulla irukku. So they were in imagination. That imagination made them to take their things while traveling. Are their hearts in their boots as they recall